Second Lifers, I'm back with a quick video today about adding voice to instant messages or conference chats. If you have ever been voicing in local chat and had someone else listen in, or wanted to voice somewhere where the voice option is turned off, this video is for you. One of my favorite things about voice in IM is that you do not have to worry about the other person's proximity. If they walk to a different area or even teleport to a different sim, you can continue your voice conversation with little to no interruption. Switching to voice privately is extremely simple. All you have to do is click the telephone handset icon in the chat that you want to add voice to. The people in the chat will be sent a pop-up letting them know that you would like to add voice to your conversation. And once they accept, you will be in a private voice chat space. To leave the chat, simply click the telephone handset icon again, and you will be returned to local chat. Keep in mind that when you return to local chat, your microphone may be live, and so you want to make sure to turn that off unless you want to continue to broadcast your voice. I hope some of you find this helpful. Until next time, bye!